In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to insert and use your own pictures when you're designing with Canva, but you're using a template that already have pre-chosen or already have images included inside of those templates. It's very easy. I hope after you're watching this video, your skill in Canva will be upgraded a little bit. Alright, so first let's try to take a look at some of the templates. Let's say that I want to create something such as product catalog, because usually you will have a lot of pictures with it. Product catalog. Alright, and I'm just going to search for it. And as you can see, there is a lot of templates for product catalog. They also have different types of product catalog that you can use. For example, this one's right here looks more like of a magazine. It has a lot of pages and you can use something like this if you want, of course. But I'm going to try to find something that is more simple. For example, maybe this one's right here. And you can always browse for some more catalog. For example, you like this one, but you're still trying to keep your options open. You can just scroll down and then you'll be able to find some templates that look similar with the one that you've seen earlier. And actually this one looks more interesting to me, so I'm just going to use this one and go ahead to click on it, and then I'm going to customize this template. Alright, so after I choose my templates, the first thing I always do is I always like to rename it. So one day if I'm trying to find it again, it's going to be easy for me, so I'm going to name it as product catalog. And there's that. Then I'm going to zoom this in a little bit. As you can see, it comes with 4 pictures. It already have all of the pictures inside. And in order to upload your picture, all you have to do is just go to the navigation bar on the left side of your screen and you're going to find this upload option. So as you can see, you can actually upload your picture directly into the sections right here. But if you're going to use the same pictures over and over again in the near future, it's going to take you quite some time to scroll around and try to find the pictures that you have already uploaded to Canva. So there is a way for you to manage your pictures and make it look more tidy. And it's also going to help you to try to find your pictures in the near future. So all you have to do is just go to this project section right here, and then you're going to be able to see your projects from the sections. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to this folder sections right here, and then you can go ahead and click create folder. And you can rename your folder here. Let's say that I wanted to rename this folder as product pics. And since I'm using a Canva Pro and it's a shared account, I can also choose whether I want to make the specific folder to be edited and shared to my other team members, or I can only allow them to edit, or I can only allow them to view, or I can just not share them at all. I'm going to choose not to share it, and then I'm going to go ahead and continue. And now I can upload my pictures to this folder instead of putting it into my overall upload folder. So I'm going to go ahead and select files. Now you can actually upload more than just one pictures by simply clicking on Shift on your keyboard and then choose at the very end of your pictures. And then you can go ahead and upload it, and it's going to make everything easier for you. Alright, now that we got all of our pictures, all you have to do if you want to insert it into your product catalog is simply by clicking on the pictures and then drag it into the available frame. Now the reason why you will want to drag it is because if you're just simply clicking on the pictures, it's just going to show on top of your design, and you actually can just drag it back into the frame if you want, but I feel like doing that will make you work twice than you should. So the click and drag method is the most efficient one in my opinion. Now let's say that you have a pictures that doesn't have the same frame size with the one on the templates. As you can see, my original pictures is actually a square pictures, meanwhile this one is more of a rectangular pictures. And let's say that you don't really like to see how it fits, all you have to do is just double click on your pictures, and it's going to allow you to adjust the pictures to however you want it to be. Then you can go ahead and click on done. Now as you can see, the pictures fits better than it was earlier. And let's try to add one more pictures. Again, double click on it. And you can also enlarge the pictures if you want. And it's going to be different with enlarging it the whole frame. So if you want to enlarge just the pictures but not resize the frame, all you have to do is again double click and then resize your pictures from there. Now when you're trying to search for your product, all you have to do is go to the project, go to folders, and then find your product on product item. Of course, just like I showed earlier, you don't really have to follow the exact frame from the templates. You can always resize it if you want, and the pictures is going to also be resized automatically, but you do have to adjust it if you create quite a huge difference with the resizing. Now if you want to save your design, and let's say that you want to have it offline, all you have to do is go to the share sections right here, and you will have the options to download your design. You can choose the file types of your design depending on how you're going to use it, and then you can just click on download and you will get your design. But if you want to use this template again, and let's say that you'll need to get off of your computers, don't worry. Once you go to your project, you'll be able to see on all of the design that you have already created on Canva. So let's say you're going to go to the sections right here. It's called project, and on this sections right here, you will see all of the design that you have already created earlier. Now let's see whether all of the pictures that I've already uploaded will also appear if I try to create a new design. So let's say I'm just going to create a blank canvas in a form of, let's say, poster. And let's say that I need the pictures that I've already uploaded earlier. I'm going to create, let's say, some kind of poster for my business. Instead of having to re-upload it again, all I have to do is just go to project, go to folder, and then I'm going to find my product pics through this folder. So it's going to work like that. It's very convenient, and you can also design things more than one at one time. So let's say that you want to create a poster on this site, and you're going to use probably a similar pictures with it. All you have to do is go to your first design, click on Ctrl+C on your keyboard, and then you can click on Ctrl+V to paste on the picture. So you can actually work through different design. But obviously uploading your design will make it easier than to have to open two types of work or two types of design in one time. And that's basically it. That is how you can upload and use your own pictures on Canva. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.